In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a primary key in Microsoft Access. A primary key is the field, or combination of fields, that uniquely identifies each record in a table. Setting it correctly helps prevent duplicate records, keeps your data clean, and enables reliable relationships between tables. Start by opening your database and locating the table you want to modify in the navigation pane. Right-click that table and choose Design View. Design View lets you change the structure of the table, which is exactly what we need to do for the primary key. Next, choose the field you want to use as the primary key. In the field list, click the row selector, the small gray box to the left of the field name. If your table requires more than one field to uniquely identify a record, you can create a composite key. To do that, hold the Control key and click each field's row selector so they're all highlighted together. Be sure you select only the fields that truly make each record unique. With the correct field or field selected, go to the Table Design tab on the ribbon and click the Primary Key button. You'll recognize it by the small key icon. After you click it, a key symbol appears next to your chosen field or fields in the design grid. That visual cue confirms the primary key has been set. Now save your changes. Press Ctrl+S or click Save. Saving ensures the primary key requirement is enforced from this point on. A quick reminder about what that enforcement means. Every record must have a unique, non-empty value in the primary key field or fields. If duplicates or blank values exist, Access won't allow the primary key to be set until those issues are resolved. This safeguard helps maintain data integrity automatically. If the table already has a primary key and you need to change it, remove the current one first. In Design View, select the existing primary key field or fields and click the Primary Key button again to turn it off. Then select the new field or fields and set the key as described. If you don't set a primary key at all, Access may prompt you to create one when you save the table. A common and convenient choice is an auto number field, which automatically generates a unique value for each record without any manual input. That's all it takes to set a primary key in Microsoft Access. Switch to Design View, select your field or fields, apply the key, and save. Your table is now ready for consistent, reliable data entry and relationships.